Nah.
Iyo. Kuntu mama nanti nanti ada makaji na.
Isale. Bila wala sarbi kami kada kan ni siam sikumain na yawan ni awasin ngauna.
Iyo.
Ni ouch palangi show.
Iyo.
En abito ko ni binaka ni punjes ni cream biscuit so creamy in every bite.
Dol binaka.
En mataka binaka ndende. Ero mito kan tani ngarabi sam turang tani.
Ano ba kur mundo go?
Yau mika ngalo mbula pambulu tani bekem ni nasaga isama tumayan na VTFM Facebook page.
Gori.
Oni sar tu ebici. Oni sar tu ipalangi.
Iyo.
Kena buno ada mga sema tu mikeno sar tu may en matakani kuwa.
Isale.
Kito sa mga ruteni bekem ni. Pambulu talo nga bekem ni na X sepa. Ni sema tu man matakendai en kena maruta itu na nomuni Golden Jubilee. Makilim sa mulu. Ni yang bakir kena wana nomuni bengarabi. Kito sema tu ni kena en mataka vena kani kuwa. Wana ni na teni bekem ni kena sar na sema tu may live stream sani buru-buru mga onin topa tu bulu mikina. Gona outs palangi show. Ko talay taka maruta ka nomu like nomu share.
Iyo.
Matakani kuwa.
Anggona VTFM Ouch Palangi, K-Punches, new cream biscuits, so creamy with every bite.
Ya benar kami ni ada benar turun nama turun nama nela kita bagi kami ni anu bugni ouch palangi show yang
Gori.
kita di bakar rumbu ke di kuah.
Alright.
Last day of the sini last day.
Yeah, last day.
Last
Last day of the week of the job.
of the job.
Right.
Alright.
Because but some will be last day tomorrow.
Yeah,
Alright.
some will continue until tomorrow and Sunday.
Yes.
So day of ngan tone singa.
Right.
Pag di benar juga berbeda itu kan nama tadi kuah. Singa mau nama di kuah tone singa tali.
Yeah.
Matai kita orang cukup to the Republic of Fiji Military Forces Engineers Regiment.
Iya.
Kita bulang cukup mata kuah. May bertau na siapa di nonta mati balu. Arto ko tuh main metu way kata-kata na mata kaya dai.
Muna bilang
And a mix of
Can you just ask them, Sebo?
siapa bor me yo.
You know that boil water.
Not boil water.
Dia tomboy.
Well kata-kata boil water.
That's not
Yeah.
boil water. That's
Because
boil
Ratau saying well kata-kata.
boil
Yeah.
coffee.
So boil coffee.
Bunte gitu ilo mana kini balde.
Engine.
Naramba taki na coffee.
Right.
Ena mata ni kuah.
Boy.
Kata-kata.
Aku bentar lagi ngunu pandua.
Iya.
Isa.
Aku ngunu pandua. And then ocang ko takap cuma nonton video ya.
Iya.
Kena lebe. Bakasan orang emang siapa kain ini mi?
Hey, well, good morning to John Kumar, Mel Netherlev, Naunga Naimila, Andra Nayandra, John Kumar from Baravel Road, Masingatoka, and
thank you.
to all of you tuning in from inside the bus, inside the van,
Right.
inside the taxi,
Right.
inside your own vehicle.
Iya.
Good morning.
Iya.
Good morning.
Oi.
Good morning.
Okay, Mika Endra Samo, just a brief history about the RFMF Engineers Regiment.
Yes.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright.
Introduction for the Engineers Regiment of the Republic of the Fiji Military Forces
Okay.
is a vital component of the nation's military
Right.
and is responsible for various engineering duties.
Alright.
Yes.
Their roles and responsibilities
Okay.
are a source of pride
Oh.
and respect, shaping the nation's history
Okay.
and development.
Wow.
Okay. Na early years ago, establishment of the regiment go,
Alright.
1942 to 1945.
Wow.
The Fiji Corps of Engineers was established
Alright.
in 1942
Iyo.
to support U.S. forces in the Suva area.
Oi.
Rami maro taga churi kora kana singa.
Dito, sir.
The unit was initially formed with 120 Fijian sappers
Right.
and was attached to the 2nd Battalion Fiji Infantry Regiment with 2nd Lieutenant McGowan
Wow.
as its officer commanding. In 1943, the NZEF engineer personnel arrived from New Zealand
Right.
and Major F.H. Stewart was
Okay.
appointed commanding officer.
Sajin.
And itu tuh kada cerita nga no to tikir bol tambu.
Right.
Na mati di pita ruo tiri kabitu.
Right.
Honor all men,
Right.
love the brotherhood,
Alright.
fear God, honor the king.
Wow. Ya saraga. Sarot me date na mati saw ni mati wal.
Doon ba benak?
Ayaw. Ako naman mulu di BTJ. Ko talaga eksepa.
Oi!
O na mukarongori.
Kung nga guys biuso chuko berto na
Iyo.
PW Dimbure.
PW Dimbure lang kita na
Brimstone.
Iyo, kaya eksepa ni kanibana songi.
So, royan na pinagkakaruan, mana uwing pa kanto mong bula.
Right.
Di ratu kanta bule ba nanto na ngauna.
Doon mo
Ay sa game ko ni Raibu Chungor.
Iyo.
Daw tukon chukon temi ano mo karo sin rawatan na.
Iyo.
Oy ko mo ko nang si Dorbugin.
Iyo.
Hey, good morning to Alipate Singavunau.
Right.
From inside the vehicle.
Iyo.
KW073.
Alright.
Vehicle Black Panther in Lampasa.
Boy!
Yeah.
Pulasia.
Yeah.
Bala na kausasya yan rabinaka unay si Mexindo.
Alright.
Anda binaka sa sin go ka Waila Charlie una marama.
Bere chare men. Yana binaka.
Right. Samu.
Iyo.
Our story about the girl from Mbo.
Yeah, I was telling you too, like whenever you're in the village
Yeah.
and you receive a call,
Right.
when someone, the Golden Voice, call you, Golden Voice call you, like maybe it's a story about Turang Tau Atu.
Hey, no
because
be.
back in that time,
Yeah.
and I was calling, Bulavinaka,
Yeah.
can I speak to Mary?
Okay, Mary.
Oh, this is Mary. This is Mary.
Kidney center nandera. Yana binaka manuke. Mai carry on. On singa.
I thought Mary from Kidney Center Nandera.
Hey, this is Mary.
Yeah.
Oh, Mary. This is VTFM station.
Alright.
VTFM what? No, the radio station in Suba.
Right.
Wayman Road, Suba. We just want to call to tell you
Yeah.
that you was
won.
Allocated.
apply. Participated in one event in our promotion
Alright, alright.
in our radio station, so you win this promotion.
This one back in old time.
Back in the old time.
Oi.
And that
Okay.
time, lot of
Must be Michael Randu calling that one in Bunalum.
No, I don't know. Maybe Michael Randua or the Kia here. Not the Kia. And he was calling.
Yeah.
And said, oh, thank you so much. And when in the village, all the people will receive that kind of call.
Yeah.
All the people,
All the
happy.
news na spread na kor.
Yo, the news will spread. Hey, those people from the VTFM, they call Mary. And she won one.
Please ba Rambuan dialect.
Yo.
One price.
So she said,
Uh-uh.
hi.
Uh-uh.
Same time,
Yeah.
Mary come into the mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to go and put a party
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
to celebrate this winning.
Alright.
Yeah.
And same time, she goes around to the village.
And that time, Johnny?
Johnny was not there.
Oi.
Johnny go away that time. Because Mary know if Johnny hear this,
Yeah.
Johnny same time mosquito.
Right.
And she was like this to all the boy there. Eh?
Yeah.
All the family.
Hey, where you go, Mary? She telling him herself, like showcase herself that she won.
The party is coming up.
Party is coming.
This is a
Hi.
Nobuni Kandamu.
No, bukan tamu. Hey, where you go, Mary? And every other people, how ini akin ang tuwa ka man na BTFM? I won one thing from BTFM.
One thing.
Hey, one thing from BTFM. Au kira wala nga so ini da bangori.
Yeah.
So ini samani so ini bulmakau.
Yeah.
So
San tinaw ka, dati mong tinaw.
Tek mo dinaw.
Yeah.
Credit eh.
Yeah.
So ini tintuna so ini samani.
Yeah.
So ini da bangori.
Man raya suka.
Aman raya suka masih mapalawa.
Yeah.
Me lagi ta ko lang na patinggoy. Me ulang ko itu boleh pa may labonggoy. Aga me sulele kondo.
Right.
And all the people was there knew that this Mary won one big amount.
Yeah.
And hey, sorry.
That time, no Empisa, eh?
No M-Pesa at that time.
She has to
Yeah.
come.
She has to come
Right.
to Suba to
Yeah.
take the
Price.
price. And same time, hey, sorry. Higoy, ayudo. Kapang-kapawan. And same time,
Take it.
Mary take it. And when she was there, doing the cooking and all, and she was like, oh no, because lots of other people will come and celebrate with me, so I have to go to Puputusai. Puputusai have to give one piglet.
Oi.
One piggy.
Yeah.
Oi.
So that can mar the pig and
Pati.
patty.
Yeah.
Oi.
And she go to Puputusai.
Yeah.
Puputusai. Where you go, Mary? Awin agin na igo tuwa ka ni bisibe may na BTFM.
Yeah.
Hiyo. Au kira wala nga ndo mubuang gore.
Yeah.
Melagi ta nga kina patinggoy.
Yeah.
Au lang ngo iso bunga pa nga may labong ko mo solebei.
Yeah.
Higoy, Mary, higoy. Kapang wan.
Sala mo pupunta sa Yerua.
No.
Oy.
Rumo sa Oba. Same time.
Yeah.
Call the boys. Hey, go and take the pig and put it away the skin and everything. Bring it. We
Punta
cook.
mo na skin mo mamaw.
We cook.
Eat the bone.
Yeah. Same time after the party that night.
Yeah.
After the party.
Next morning.
And the next morning,
Yeah.
she was thinking, no, I don't have to go by boat.
Yeah.
I have to go by plane. This is a chance for me to go by plane.
Right.
Right.
So she went to one shopkeeper. Again to another shopkeeper. Where you go, Mary?
Yeah.
How in again ang turabisibi ni kani BTFM?
Kama na kanitan lo.
Iyo, come on.
Yeah.
Burn the fire everywhere.
Right.
Awin again ang tunakan ni bisibi na BTFM. Kaya wala nga doon ko punta may punta ang kabuwala wala nga kay suba. Boleh nga pa nga may labonggoy. Ang ko ila sume ko misuli kondo. Same time.
Give the money.
Oh, because if I give this one $100, she can pay me back $200.
Right.
Because of the winner.
Give me the money.
Same time, give me my money. Same time, take $100. Hingoy, auto kong kapawan. Same time, she fly. Lot of credit back there in the village. Meres fly in the sky to Suba. Suba, no sorry, take one taxi. Poof. Same time here to the Wayman Road, Suba. Came to reception. Where go Mary? And the reception was surprised, shocked. Hey, who's this Mary? Where go Mary? Huh? How in again to mundo kan BCCB na BTFM? Oh, same time.
You are the mayor from Bunoleve.
Yeah, same time.
ID.
Yeah, one Bunoleve fala tu was reception here. Same time he call. Irat tau atu. He call
Mabuha.
One mayor here. She won anything in the BTFM. Anything. One promotion,
Win
one
something.
prize.
Yeah.
And same time. But Mary at that time didn't know it was the call.
Yeah.
The call you should give the Richard card.
Right.
Same time. You Mary? Yes, I'm Mary. Where you go, Mary? How lang ko ba kaya sa ko maimbuwa? Au main ka au mabisibi ko mai. Ngau ka pa ndo do me mundo. Au main ka pa ngusili ni niku. Oh, binawala besar Mary na pa type ko mai. Thank you so much for participating in all this Mississippi. This is I want you to sign here. This is your prize. Oh, say no Mary. After the signing. The fella gave the envelope.
Right.
And she opened the envelope.
Right.
She opened the envelope. She saw $2 recharge card inside. Mere, binabalik sa mere ngor no milolom. Heavy that. Her $1 recharge card. Hi, Ebeasi. Asa milimu ako.
Apa nak kata mere mo kudile sinaporo.
Abu ya osar kaya.
Arbina ka always itu iporbono may Orange New South Wales.
Right.
O wanga ni Sarabi meme.
Baru dah kata tua.
Oh.
May balang kori.
Oh.
Iya.
Australia.
Arbina. Na wale besar sem tu mai na mata ka bidang ko. Ai ebeasi.
Ay, Ebeasi. Kila ko na pa mamakai? Ko na kaya kaya ko
Right.
Hoy, Mary. Hawin agin ay ko do kan bisibi man na BTFM. Ako kare wala nga sawa ini dabang ko so ini bulu saya ini dabang ko ri. Metini tu na mele daka kina
Asa mo ko sinaw.
Iyo. Daka kina patingoy. Au ngulang ko isubong ka pa may labong ko gusto le kondo. Ego au ko. Ya wirta ko listo wirna pa non tino kinoko. Sar solia ngar na kel ni labole. Ninguno ya.
Iya di sana may sama sila na Richard.
Happy da. $1 recharge card. Ay, Ebeasi. Sabi lang mo na ako.
Na wala besar sem tu mai na wala besar punches. New cream biscuits so creamy never bite. Sa nabito ko rin ouch pang lang show. Nga naman kita tala. Ano mo ni chini